Hey bestie, time for some real talk. If you're watching this, chances are you're either confused about who to trust, scared of getting scammed out of your hard-earned money, or wanting to start buying or even selling luxury handbags, but you don't even know where to begin. Maybe you saw a deal online or someone offering a bag in a resale group. But deep down, you're wondering, is this even real? Am I about to get played? And girl, I get it. I've been there. But today, I'm here to help you stop second guessing and start shopping smart. This video is going to give you everything you need to start sourcing safely, especially from Japan, where the deals are real, but so are the risks. Let's start with the red flags. The things I wish someone told me before I lost sleep and money, cause your girl right here got scammed too. And if you wish to hear my story of how I got scammed, you make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm definitely sharing my experience soon so you can avoid it. Now let's head over to red flag number 1. The price is too good. If a Chanel flap is listed for $350 and looks brand new, that's not a deal. That's a bait. Luxury doesn't go on sale or clearance. Darling, just skip. Red flag number 2. They ask you to pay off a platform. This happens a lot though. Someone on a resale platform or group says, let's move to Zelle to avoid fees. Nope. That's how people get ghosted. No protection, no tracking, and your money gone. Red flag number 3. What you see is not what you get. They post beautiful photos, but when the bag arrives, it's missing parts, it smells, or worst, it's not even the same bag. They hide damage or use stock pictures, and suddenly, they're not answering your messages. Red flag number 4. No reviews or receipts if no one ever heard of them. They just joined the group last week. And they won't show proof of past sales. That's a no for me. But don't worry, once you know what to look for, these red flags jumps out fast. And I'm here to help you spot them. If you're thinking, okay, wow, this is exactly what I'm worried about, good. That means you care about protecting your money, your peace, and your collection. And I promise there's a better way to shop. You can build your dream bag collection from Japan safely. And next, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Let's talk about where I actually shop. Japan has some of the best resellers in the world. The market is highly regulated and the condition of their pre-loved items, chef's kiss. Here are some of my go-to sources. Rakuten Japan, tons of trusted stores. Yahoo Japan auctions, like eBay, but better. Some of this require a proxy service to help with the language and shipping, but I've listed my most trusted ones in the guide. But listen, this whole luxury sourcing journey is not about being perfect. It's about learning, connecting with legit sellers, and building your confidence every step of the way. That's why I started this channel to be your shopping bestie. I'll keep posting sourcing tips, seller reviews, buying advice. So if you want someone in your corner, hit that subscribe button. Girl, I got you. And if you're ready to stop guessing and start shopping smarter, grab my Safe Sourcing ebook. It's your shortcut to everything I've learned. Here's what's inside. Exactly where to shop in Japan. Real vetted platforms. A trusted seller list you can buy from directly, including those who offer a buy now, pay later payment plans, and a curated list of trusted proxy services when needed. And a fully editable template so you can track and add your favorite sellers in one place. This guide is also great if you want to resell and start your designer and luxury handbag business. And hey, if you're still unsure where to start, you can join my Facebook group, Vintage Louis Vuitton Authentic only. It's a safe space full of trusted sellers I personally vouch for. We're also doing a giveaway in that group right now. Once we hit 10,000 members, we'll announce the winner. So feel free to join, hang out, and maybe win something while you learn. Everything's linked below. The ebook, the group, all of it. Thanks for watching, and remember, you deserve the real deal, and now you know how to get it.